How's it, everyone? I thought today what I'd do is I'd show you how I'm going to repair this hole in this tappet cover. It is an aluminium tappet cover. Not sure where it came from. It just arrived here and the guy wants me to fix it. So I'm going to have a go at it. I've got a small piece of aluminium that I'm going to use to actually cut out and fill that hole with. But I'm first going to just file that away, mark out, grind a piece out of this and weld it in. Let's see if it works. And you can tell me what you think. Perfecto. So we got a bit of clearance here. That's gonna do. Gonna give it a wipe down with some acetone. Check it out. Maybe it'll start a fire because it's so hot. I just cut it. Yeah, fire is always good. So what I like to do as well is the filler rods that I'm actually going to use, I'm going to give them each a wipe down with some acetone as well, just before I start. And I like using this very small, this is a 1/2 inch thick plate, and I bolt whatever aluminium or whatever I'm going to weld to this 1/2 inch plate, and it's very small, it's only a foot square, so that I can work all around it. It makes life easier when you want to weld from every angle. So that's why I've got this small little surface. I've got a bigger one if I've got a bigger job to do, but this one I find to be really ideal with small stuff because you can work all around. And then I put my rods on the lower shelf. Wipe the top bit. Let's see what happens. I've got the machine set at AC, so I've got it set at AC. I've got my frequency at about 80 Hertz, and my amperage is around 50 amps. So I'm just going to do a small test here on the corner just to see how this is going to melt, and then know where I'm going to go from there. Setting my amperage down a little bit because there's a lot of oil contamination coming out of this aluminium, because this is obviously a tappet cover. So your weld starts to look a little bit better if you turn your amperage down, go a little slower. It allows all the contamination and crap inside there to boil out. So kind of a trick I like to do. Mostly works in most cases. So now I've got to do a small tack to just hold this on. That's going to be real fun because yeah. Got a small tack holding that in now. So, bend it down to where I want it to be. There we go. Done my amperage ever so slightly. Let us begin. Hopefully I don't destroy everything. You can see I'm getting there, slowly but surely. And this is also why I like a small table, so I can work from all angles. Ow. No. Let's go a little bit more power. Where I need to get penetration on this area where there's a very small gap. As you can see, it's pulling a little bit more oil out over there. Heavy blend this stuff, you just can't get it clean enough. It starts pulling oil through. But yeah, that's basic fix. Now I'm just going to grind it, have a look again, see if it looks okay. And there you have it, one aluminium tappet cover repair. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, because I'm really trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, if it's possible. It's up to you. Please help me do it. I'd really like it. Thanks, sir. And if you like this, leave some comment in my comment section. Leave a suggestion of what you'd like me to do next. I'm busy working on a very big project at the moment, and soon videos are going to start coming up on that. I'm busy building a complete body off Packard, and hopefully you guys are going to like to see that shot. And see you soon.